To report issues with Rocket Money bank connection, follow these steps. First, ensure you are logged into your Rocket Money account and have a clear understanding of the issue you are experiencing. This could be an error message, a failed connection, or an inability to link your bank account. Next, navigate to the support section of the Rocket Money website or mobile application. This is usually found in the Settings or Help menu. Here, you will find a range of resources including FAQs, user guides, and contact information for the support team. If you cannot find a solution to your issue in the support resources, you will need to contact the Rocket Money support team directly. You can do this by submitting a support request via the website or application, or by sending an email to the support email address. When reporting your issue, be sure to include as much detail as possible, including any error messages you have received and the steps you have taken so far to try and resolve the issue. It is also helpful to include your account information and the name of your bank, as this will assist the support team in investigating your issue. Once you have submitted your support request, you can expect to receive a response from the Rocket Money team within a short period of time, usually within 24 to 48 hours. In your support request, be sure to specify the type of issue you are experiencing, such as a connection error or an issue with transaction data. You should also include any relevant screenshots or error messages, as these can be very helpful in diagnosing the issue. By following these steps and providing clear and detailed information, you can help the Rocket Money support team to quickly and efficiently resolve your bank connection issue. It is also a good idea to check the Rocket Money website for any known issues or outages that may be affecting your bank connection. The company will often post updates on their website or social media channels if they are experiencing any technical difficulties. By taking these steps, you can help to ensure that your issue is resolved as quickly as possible and that you can get back to using the Rocket Money service without interruption.